There's a company you've probably heard of, but you don't fully understand. It doesn't build social media apps. It doesn't sell smartphones. It doesn't make flashy consumer AI tools. Yet governments, militaries, and intelligence agencies rely on it. Its name? Palantir. And today, we're breaking down what it really does, and why it might be one of the most powerful AI companies in the world. Welcome to Workflow Next Gen, where we break down AI, technology, and smart systems shaping the future. If you want to understand the tools that actually run the world, you're in the right place.
Let's dive in.
Palantir is a data analytics and AI software company founded in 2003. Its mission? To help organizations make sense of massive, complex data. But here's the key difference. Palantir doesn't just store data. It connects it. It analyzes it. It turns it into decisions. Think of it as an operating system for intelligence. Governments deal with massive amounts of information: financial transactions, satellite imagery, security intelligence, military logistics, healthcare systems. Palantir's platforms, Gotham and Foundry, help analyze this data in real time. For example, instead of looking at thousands of separate reports, decision-makers see patterns instantly: threat detection, fraud detection, operational planning. It's AI-powered data fusion at scale. That's why defense departments and intelligence agencies rely on it. Here's where it gets interesting. Palantir doesn't replace humans. It augments them. Its AI systems combine structured data, databases, unstructured data, documents, images, emails, machine learning models, real-time dashboards. Imagine a battlefield commander or government analyst seeing every connected piece of information on one screen. Instead of guessing, they simulate scenarios, they predict outcomes, they act faster. In today's world, speed equals power. But with great data comes great concern. Critics argue, does this level of data integration threaten privacy? Can powerful governments misuse this technology? Palantir has faced criticism over surveillance concerns and contracts related to immigration enforcement. Supporters say it prevents terrorism, stops fraud, improves healthcare systems. Critics say it centralizes too much power. The debate isn't simple, but it's important. From an investment perspective, Palantir is often seen as a long-term AI infrastructure play, a government-backed tech provider, a data dominance company. Unlike flashy consumer AI companies, Palantir operates behind the scenes. And in tech, the infrastructure layer is often the most powerful. As AI adoption grows globally, the demand for decision-making platforms grows too. Here's the real question. In a world powered by AI, who controls the systems that interpret reality? Because data alone isn't power. Interpreting data is. Palantir doesn't just analyze information. It shapes how institutions act on it. And that makes it one of the most strategically important AI companies in the world. Palantir isn't flashy. It's not viral. But it might be foundational to the AI-driven future. If you want to understand the systems shaping the next decade, subscribe to Workflow Next Gen, because here, we don't just follow technology, we decode it. See you in the next video.